Hey everybody, welcome back. Whew, another rainy night here at the lake. Probably got about an inch of rain last night. It rained, I think, pretty much most all night. But want to say welcome back and happy Labor Day weekend to those who are laborers who have the weekend off. Speaking of that, I'm gonna have to do some laboring because I don't have the weekend off, and I haven't done much all week. It's been really super slow. I had one camper on Sunday, 2 on Monday, 3 on Wednesday, and now, which is today's Friday, I have 6. So I haven't even cleaned the bathrooms this week because nobody's been using them hardly. I mean, really, nobody's been using them. Everybody's got their campers, so they've been using their campers. But so I'm gonna have to do some laboring, and after this rain, I'm gonna have to do some water removal and mud removal. I got a couple campsites that are underwater and under mud, so got them ready to clean up for this weekend. Last weekend of the season, the unofficial end of summer. Well, one little stroke of good news. I now have 3 air mattresses that hold air. I patched 2 more of them, and I'll show you this one. Right here's where it was leaking, and that seam. So what I did is I stuck some tape down underneath it, pulled it to the backing before I put any air into it. Then I put this silicone glue on top, this really hard stuff. See if it holds up. Of course, that's the weakest point in there, but it's holding up so far. Somebody asked me the other day, said, I had it up on the trailer checking for air leak, and they go like, what is that, a swimming pool you're blowing up? It looks like it, but it's a, what is it? Electrolux Beauty Rest. It's a Beauty Rest like the other one that I had that exploded on the side, and there was no fixing that one because it had blown up on the side and on top. But everything in the tent is pretty wet again. Maybe the sun will come out today, I think so, and be able to dry some of the stuff off on my drying rack back here, which I still don't know where my old t-shirt went to. Haven't found it. I don't know. Maybe a chipmunk used it for nesting. I don't know what it is, but it's gone. One thing about it, I have to worry about the burn ban right now. I mean, it's not officially lifted, but everything's soaking wet. The wood I got back here, no, it will not be used this season because I don't have enough time and it's too wet and we're under a burn ban. But let me say this. I did get a call from the mechanic last night about after 6 o'clock. And I looked down and went like, oh, what kind of bad news am I going to get now? And so we talked for a couple minutes, and then after hearing what he had to say, I almost had tears in my eyes. Because they are tears of happiness and joy. Look at what is back. Oh, hi, old friend. It's sure nice to drive you again. But look, 3 months exactly, it's back. I'll do another video on exactly the price, the breakdown, all the other stuff for what was done to it. But I got to get busy because I've got camp hosting to do. And I just found out the burn ban is lifted for campgrounds. So I've got to go around and take all the plastic and tape off and then be a camp host again, and also start moving. Yeah, get to get out of that tent tonight. I'm going to sleep so good tonight.